Hey everybody, so this is a different start to the video, right? I am really loving painting and making mixed media pages, and I wanted to start this project by adding the paint, and then I will dry it, and then I can get started on my actual project. So I will take this out so I can explain my project to you. For the month of August, one of the Everyday Explorers releases is this amazing 100% me, and I have this funny selfie. My daughter says I look very weird, but that's okay. I have that selfie, and I want to do this, and I want to do it in rainbow order for the different prompts. So I'll stamp it in the rainbow color, and then I'll write it out in black, and I'm gonna have black splatters, and I think I might add some butterflies, punch some butterflies from my various mixed media pages. These are my latest mixed media pages. If you're interested in a video like how I do this, I got the idea originally from Felicitas. She's on the creative team. I'll leave her information down below and her video. But that's where I got the idea, and now I just kind of do my own thing. So if you're interested in seeing how these come to life, just let me know, leave a comment, and I can show you how I am using these. Because I also use these to make my own sticker paper, which is really cool. So I'm gonna use those as my butterflies if I punch the shapes. And like I said, I'm gonna do rainbow. I just drew some lines, and I checked before I drew the lines, but I can erase them. That way I didn't trust myself to be able to stamp in an arch. So I am just gonna leave the lines and then erase them as I go. And I might pop dot this photo or raise it up on some chipboard, thicker paper that I have. All right, I'm gonna add my black splatters, and then I will get out my embossing heat tool and then dry them, and then I can get started on the stamping, and I'm so excited. So excited to use this to answer kind of a few questions about myself. So let's see what I can come up with. So I'm gonna start with adding in some black paint, and then I will start my splatters. This is the first time that I did it, and I just wanted you to see how I did the paint splatters, but I wound up having to do it 2 times. The second time, I had to flip it over, and then I don't know, it was a mess because I didn't realize that even though I can erase the pencil marks, the paint was not all the way dry, so I didn't use the embossing tool all the way or enough. So that's why on this page that I did, I actually didn't do the pencil marks, and I just did the splatters, and I'm just going to eyeball it. I stamped my first prompt, and I really don't like how it kind of fades into the paper, and I don't like how the splatters kind of cover it up. So I decided to stamp all my prompts on that paper that I really like to use. It's the Epson presentation paper. I'll leave a link, but that's the paper I really like to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and stamp all kinds of prompts in rainbow, all the rainbow colors, and then I will fussy cut them out and then lay them down. I tried to take out a lot of the stamping and fussy cutting because I didn't think you needed to see all of that, but I wanted you to get the general idea of how I brought this together. So I'm gonna do some red, some orange, some yellow, 2 different kinds of blue, and 2 different kinds of greens, a pink, a purple, and then a few, I think 1 black, and then I'll add in my butterflies. So I love this stamp set. Some of the prompts are here and now, today's big win, I am, things I love about myself, 5 things I love about myself, this makes me happy, this really inspires me, so proud I did this, no thanks, this really bums me out. So lots of really awesome phrases for so many different purposes. I've even heard of somebody taking a positivity passport and using these prompts to answer 1 prompt in a positivity passport. So like kind of like an all about me journal, and that would be really cool too. So as you can see, I did get out some chipboard to map my photo, and that way it has some lift to it. I think I was also out of foam dots. So now I've got my all my little prompts cut out, and I'm going to go ahead and put down lines in black. That way I can answer them, and then off camera I will fill them out because it's gonna take a while to answer all these questions, which was really fun too. It's like it gets you thinking, and some of these I had to think about it. Like, I'm really good at this, or woke up like this. I don't know. I had to think about that. Inspires me, and I had to think about it. Because I also probably didn't leave enough room for myself to write too, but that's okay. So, and I wound up not doing kind of an arc, as you can see, like an arc, like a traditional rainbow, but I like how it goes down from red and then, you know, the traditional rainbow flow, and I really like that. And so I'm just adding in all the different prompts, and then I will be done. And then after this, I will get out my mixed media papers and punch out some butterflies. There we go, got the last one. And then I am showing you that it is all completed for the journaling. It took me forever. Probably didn't help my kids for interrupting me. I gotta think about myself, kids. So I grabbed my butterfly punch, and I'm going to punch out a variety of colors of butterflies. So all the rainbow colors, and it's going to really add the pop that I need for this layout and to finish up this layout. So I'm going to place the butterflies, and then I'm going to put adhesive only in the middle, like the body of the butterfly. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to bend up the wings so they have dimension as well. So I'm just placing them, and then I will glue them down. I also wanted to add in a pink. I had forgotten to do that. And then I will also put a little cluster down at the bottom, which I really liked. And I even managed to do the date at the bottom, because a lot of the time I forget to do the date. But that's okay. I did not forget this time. I also did a teal butterfly, which you saw I just put down, because I have gray, teal, and blue. Not gray, green, teal, and blue. So I put all those down, and this turned out so good. I absolutely love this. Such a fun layout, and really all I used was some mixed media paper and some stamps, and that's about it, and a little bit of paint. So I'm gluing down the last of the butterflies, and I will be done. All right, I finished up this one, and I absolutely love it. It's probably a new favorite. I so love how it came together, and I love my mixed media papers and just the rainbow theme. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this one come to life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Have a great day.